Hello and welcome. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to use a screwdriver. But nothing this big, that is a beast. Instead, we're gonna work on something a little bit smaller. No, I wasn't an expert when I first started. Nobody is. It takes practice, it takes years to master the fine art of using screwdrivers. Absolutely. And when I say screwdriver, I mean ordinary flathead. We're not doing Phillips. That is another level. Not to mention JIS. That is a beast. No. Keep it simple. We need to learn how to walk before we know how to run. Ordinary flathead. Yeah, I've been using screwdrivers probably for good 20 years. Probably more than that, yeah. Notice I'm using a non-branded screwdriver. There's nothing special about it. It's not been supplied by any tool manufacturer or anything like this. It's just an ordinary screwdriver. And what that means, if you master using this bad boy, you can go ahead and spend hundreds of pounds on branded tools. I wouldn't say it's easy. No, it's probably kind of easy to start with, but to master that art and that technique, to have the right screwdriver skill set, it takes years, absolutely. So I could say advice, just keep at it. Alright guys, starting with the basics, you need to grab a screwdriver by the handle like this. I know it seems obvious, but I've seen so many people making mistake on the very beginning, and trust me, that's gonna bite you back in the ass if you don't get basics. So practice this first. Grab the screwdriver and handle it by the handle. Yeah, I've started with flatheads myself, and then I was progressing. I got a couple of flatheads, smaller and bigger size, and then I got into Phillips screwdrivers as well. You got 0.1, 0.2, 0.0 as well. And then lately JIS, I'm using them quite a lot as well. Right guys, so what do? You had a screwdriver in the handle, you grab your subject, and you shove it in, and one motion, twist it open. Done. Did you get that? I know it's a lot to take on, but I'll show you that again. Ready? Let's have a look. Did you get it slightly better this time, yeah? Okay, let's have a look at it again from a different angle. You grab your subject, and you shove it in, and one motion, twist it open. I know I'll make it look easy, but I've been practicing for years and years and years, trust me, and I've got a lot of, usage of this bad boy behind my belt, so don't be intimidated. Have a look at it again in slow motion so you can pick up the skill. Yeah, practice and practice, just like any other art, you just need to put a lot of hours into it, and eventually you will get there, you will. With that said guys, watching the video is not gonna make you a master. You need to go practicing. I would suggest probably start practicing on a Diet Coke maybe, then move on to full fat Coke. Once you get, a few cans opened like this and is successful, maybe move on to a fruit cider, for the missus, and give yourself a few months, don't rush it, give us a few months maybe, but practice every day, and then go ahead, open the can of lager, or other beverage of your choice. It's up to you. No, What do you mean screwdrivers for screws? That's what power tools are for.